In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a house in Microsoft Word. You might think Microsoft Word is only for writing text, but it's also surprisingly powerful for creating simple diagrams, illustrations, and even drawings like a house. Using Word's built-in Shapes tool, you can design a house with walls, roof, windows, and doors, and even customize the colors to make it visually appealing. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step so you can easily create a neat and professional-looking house illustration. To start, open your Microsoft Word document and go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. Click on Shapes, and you'll see a variety of shapes, including rectangles, triangles, lines, and more. We'll use these shapes to construct the house. First, select the rectangle shape to create the main body of the house. Click and drag on your document to draw a rectangle. This will serve as the walls of the house. Next, we'll add the roof. Select the triangle shape from the Shapes menu, then draw a triangle on top of the rectangle so it forms a classic roof. Adjust its size and position until it sits neatly above the rectangle. Now let's add details like doors and windows. Use smaller rectangles for the door and windows. You can add multiple windows by copying and pasting the first one. To make the door and windows stand out, change their fill color or outline. You can do this by selecting the shape, going to the Shape Format tab, and using the Shape Fill and Shape Outline options. To add more detail, use the Line tool from the Shapes menu to create window panes or roof details. Click and drag to draw straight lines wherever needed. You can also group shapes together for easier movement by selecting all the shapes, right-clicking, and choosing Group. This way, your entire house can be moved or resized without losing the layout. Finally, customize your house illustration with colors, gradients, or effects like shadows to make it look more realistic. Word's shape format options give you plenty of flexibility to style your drawing exactly how you want. And that's it. By using shapes and simple formatting tools in Microsoft Word, you can easily draw a house from scratch and make it visually appealing. This technique is perfect for projects, presentations, or even fun illustrations. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.